welcome to our review. Today we're going to be looking at the Napcat 5 megapixel solar powered security camera system. This is an NVR camera system, which means that all the security footage is stored in the wireless NVR and not in the camera itself. So you don't have to worry about privacy leakage caused by camera loss. So this is all that we have inside the box. Firstly, we have our solar panels, our HDMI cable, power adapter, our mouse, our Ethernet cable, as well as our USB extension cords. We have some stickers, as well as our drilling template, more screws for installation. We have our wireless NVR, our battery cameras. We have 2 of them, as well as our mounting brackets. So now we're going to install it. Today we're looking at the model N1S22 for Napcat. So let's get started with the installation process. But before we do that, we have to make sure that we download the Napcat app from the App Store. Once you create an account, go ahead and follow the instructions and set up your cameras. So now let's pair our device. So we're going to add a device and scan the QR code on the NVR. Next, follow the instructions. Next, let's try pairing the cameras. This camera has 2 installation methods. Option 1 is to mount the camera with the solar panel attached. This involves less drilling and is easy to do. But option 2 is mount the camera with the solar panel attached separately. This situation is ideal when there is less solar power. You can use the provided USB-C extension cable to connect the solar panel. So this is the camera's live view. Let's see. If you just play the play button, it instantly switches you to live view. I can see the trees rustling just immediately. You don't have to open up the cameras, and the cars going in the background. The live view is very clear, so you can even zoom in and out within like the small cameras itself. Let's switch it to full screen mode. So I'm gonna open it up, and this is what the live view looks like. You can scroll along. Details are definitely clear enough for what you need to see. Like if you need to see just movements and pedestrians and people, you can definitely use this. I wanted to quickly show you the connectivity, how fast it is. So I want to take this off the Wi-Fi. So I'm going to turn off the Wi-Fi. Okay. And it's not connected, so my cameras won't work. But let me turn it back on again. And see how fast it connected. It was really fast. So let me try this one. All right, let's look at the messages. See, it connected pretty fast. So just now both cameras are working. Let's see all the messages. So this is all the alerts it's gonna give you for vehicle detection and pedestrian detections. I have all of these events that got triggered because of a smart AI detection. And to download some of these events, let's check it out. I'm right now on playback mode, so I'm gonna full screen it and pause it. And if I want to download this video, it will be downloaded to the Person Center albums on the app itself. So to download it, I have to press on the device and it will be added to the downloads list. And you can see how I download it to the device from the downloads list on the app. Okay, now to get the downloaded videos, I'm gonna go to my device's albums, personal center, and I'm gonna see if I can download everything. So let's see. Let's select all and download it all. So I had to give the device permission, and once the permission was given, it would be saved successfully to my photos album on my device. Now let's take some night 10 clips and download those ones. Let's see. And I was able to download both of them. Now let's observe the night 10 clips in the live view. As you can see that this camera does have color night vision as well as black and white vision. So if we were to go to the camera settings, let's check out our night vision mode. So right now I have it set to automatic mode, so that means that it will switch between black and white and color mode based on the environment, and activate it when necessary. I want to keep the settings as it is. Let's look at some of the other settings. So let's look at our events. We have motion detection turned off, and if we were to turn it on, it would mean that it won't be specifically tracking pedestrian and vehicle detection, but track all sorts of motions. I think I want to keep it off. Let's see what our smart event is. This is our smart AI detection. That means that it accurately detects only pedestrian and vehicle, and like not all sorts of motion, just such as like, you know, rustling of the leaves or something like that. So I want it to be at a smart event. So there's no SD card, and that's because the you can have an SD card, I think, but we're gonna just store it in the NVR. Let's see if we need to look at any other settings. Audio settings is at 100%, and there is privacy protection too. So if we were to add black zones to protect, let's say, the privacy of neighbors, such as like, let's say I want to protect the privacy of the neighbor's window, I can do that like that and save it. Okay, so that's our black zone right there. From the downloaded videos on my camera app, you can see that the video quality both at daytime and nighttime is quite crisp and clear. For best video quality, you do need to make sure that you download the videos. Otherwise, on live view, you're gonna get a lesser quality and not as much details. For demonstration purposes as to how crisp the details are, I'm going to zoom into this parking sign right here. And as you can see in the downloaded video, the lettering of the sign is quite clear compared to what we were observing in live view. This camera also comes with an HDMI cable and a mouse, so you can connect it to an external monitor to monitor your videos at all times. This is how the NVR connected to the HDMI cable can support both wired and wireless networking. The nighttime videos are also very clear. You can clearly see black and white as well as color vision, and that is because of its automatic setting that I've set on my camera. And that is it for our review for the Napcat CC camera. This is quite a good wireless camera system to use. It is solar panel powered, battery camera with accurate AI detection as well as colored night vision with an NVR system. It has a local storage system through its NVR and high quality video storage. It is also waterproof in all weathers with an IP66 waterproof rating. And it also has active deterrents such as using its siren and strobe light and a two-way audio system. We hope you guys like this product and all the features that it entails. If you like this product, please go ahead and check out our description box below for more details. And that is it for our review. Thank you all for watching.